All right, future doctors, listen up. You're on the path to becoming medical superheroes, and every superhero needs a solid origin story. Today, we're diving into the origin story of energy in your patients, and in you, biochemistry and nutrition. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Biochemistry, isn't that just endless pathways and enzymes with unpronounceable names? And nutrition? Isn't that just telling people to eat their greens? Well, yes and no. This isn't just about memorizing charts, it's about understanding the fundamental language of life. It's the secret code that unlocks how our bodies truly work. This topic isn't just essential for crushing your USMLE Step 1 exam, though it absolutely is. It's also intrinsically fascinating, revealing the intricate dance happening inside us every second. Think of it as the ultimate backstage pass to the human body. Mastering this material will not only boost your scores, but also lay a rock-solid foundation for your entire medical career. You'll be able to connect the dots between diet, disease, and treatment like a pro. So, let's get started on this incredible journey. Let's kick things off with an analogy. Imagine the human body not just as a collection of organs, but as the most sophisticated, high-performance machine ever designed. It's a biological marvel, capable of incredible feats. And what does every high-performance machine need to run? Fuel, of course. For our magnificent biological machine, that fuel comes from the food we eat. Whether it's a greasy burger, a cheesy pizza, or a vibrant kale salad, it all gets processed. Our core understanding today revolves around two critical questions. First, how does this incredible machine break down all that diverse food into usable components? It's a complex disassembly line, but a highly efficient one. Second, once those components are broken down, what exactly does the body do with them? It's not just about energy, it's about building, repairing, and maintaining every single cell. We're talking about the very essence of life. Understanding these foundational concepts is like getting the owner's manual for the most complex device known. It's the blueprint for health and disease. So, let's peel back the layers and see what makes this machine tick. Now, let's talk about the main characters in our nutritional drama, the major nutrient categories. We've got carbohydrates, the body's quick energy source, often misunderstood but undeniably vital. Then there are proteins, the building blocks and workhorses of our cells, doing everything from structural support to enzymatic reactions. And finally, lipids, our long-term energy storage, insulation, and crucial components of cell membranes. Each plays a distinct and indispensable role in keeping our machine running smoothly. They are the raw materials for everything. To process these raw materials, our body employs a series of sophisticated metabolic pathways. We'll be diving into some of the greatest hits: glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, beta oxidation, and amino acid metabolism. These aren't just names to memorize, they are dynamic processes. Glycolysis is our initial sugar breakdown. The Krebs cycle is the central hub of energy production. Beta oxidation handles fat breakdown, and amino acid metabolism deals with protein components. Each pathway is a masterpiece of biochemical engineering. The primary goals of all this metabolic activity are twofold. First, to extract energy, primarily in the form of ATP, the universal currency of cellular energy. Without ATP, nothing happens. Second, these pathways are crucial for building and repairing body tissues. From muscle fibers to brain cells, every part of you is constantly being renewed and maintained. It's a continuous construction and renovation project. Let's make these pathways less intimidating with some fun analogies. First up, glycolysis. Think of glycolysis as the warm-up act for energy production. It's the body getting ready for the main event, breaking down glucose into smaller pieces. Or if you're a gamer, consider glycolysis the first level of a video game. It's relatively easy to start, gives you some quick points, and you need to master it to level up. It provides a decent burst of energy, but it's not the whole story. It's a crucial initial step, setting the stage for much larger energy yields. Without this warm-up, the body wouldn't be prepared for the heavy lifting. It's the primer, the ignition switch. Now for the big one, the Krebs cycle, also known as the citric acid cycle. This is the main event, the powerhouse for real energy generation. If glycolysis was the warm-up, the Krebs cycle is the marathon. It's where the bulk of our ATP is generated, a true metabolic marvel. Think of it as the central engine room of our cellular machine, churning out power continuously. This cycle is where all the different fuel sources converge. It's the ultimate energy factory, taking the products from carbohydrates, fats, and even proteins, and converting them into massive amounts of ATP. Mastering the Krebs cycle is like unlocking the cheat code for cellular energy. It's complex, but incredibly rewarding to understand. While macromolecules get all the glory for providing bulk energy and building blocks, let's not forget the unsung heroes, micronutrients. These are the vitamins and minerals, the secret ingredients that ensure all those complex metabolic pathways run smoothly. They are the cofactors and catalysts. Think of them as the tiny, specialized tools that make the big machinery operate. Without them, even with plenty of fuel, the engine sputters and stalls. They are absolutely indispensable for optimal function. The consequence of deficiencies in these vital micronutrients can be quite severe, leading to some truly nasty problems. These aren't just minor inconveniences. They can be debilitating and even life-threatening conditions. Our bodies are finely tuned. Let's look at a couple of classic examples. Scurvy, caused by a vitamin C deficiency, famously plagued sailors of old. It leads to weakened connective tissue, bleeding gums, and general misery. Then there's rickets, a vitamin D deficiency, which impairs bone development, especially in children. It results in soft, weak bones that can deform. These are stark reminders of micronutrient importance. And let's not forget the B vitamins, a whole family of coenzymes crucial in various metabolic processes, from energy production to DNA synthesis. A deficiency in just one can throw a wrench into multiple systems. They are the ultimate team players. Understanding micronutrients isn't just about memorizing a list. It's about appreciating their profound impact on health. They are small but mighty, orchestrating countless biochemical reactions. All right, let's get down to brass tacks. The USMLE Step 1. This topic, biochemistry and nutrition, is not just important. It's absolutely critical for your success on this beast of an exam. You will see it, and you need to conquer it. The examiners love to test your understanding of metabolic pathways, often presenting clinical scenarios. They want to see if you can connect the dots between a patient's symptoms and a specific biochemical defect. It's all about application. You can expect questions on enzyme deficiencies, which often manifest as specific metabolic disorders. Think about the classic inborn errors of metabolism. They are prime Step 1 material. Knowing the enzyme, its substrate, and its product is key. Furthermore, the impact of nutritional imbalances is a high-yield area. How does a deficiency or excess of a particular nutrient affect a pathway or lead to disease? This is where your nutrition knowledge shines. Our learning strategy here is all about highlighting those high-yield concepts. We'll focus on the pathways, enzymes, and clinical correlations that are most likely to appear on your exam. No wasted effort, just smart studying. And because we know memorization can be tough, we'll provide you with memory tricks and mnemonics to help you ace those questions. We want you to walk into that exam feeling confident and prepared. Let's make biochemistry fun and memorable. Now, before we wrap things up, I want to hear from you. This isn't just a one-way street. It's a community. Drop a comment below and let me know what your biggest struggles are with biochemistry and nutrition. Are you battling the Krebs cycle? Do enzyme names make your head spin? Or maybe you're just trying to figure out how to fit all this into your study schedule. Share your challenges. What questions do you have about today's topic, or about USMLE Step 1 in general? Your questions help us create even better content for you. We're here to support your learning journey. If you found this video helpful, please do us a huge favor. Like this video, because it tells us we're on the right track and helps more students find this valuable content. It's a small click that makes a big difference. And don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Share it with your study buddies, your classmates, your pre-med friends. Let's build a stronger, smarter medical community together. Finally, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Subscribing helps us continue to create more high-quality, high-yield Step 1 content just for you. Your support fuels our mission. Remember, we're all in this together. Medical school is a marathon, not a sprint, and having a supportive community makes all the difference. Let's conquer Step 1 and beyond. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of biochemistry and nutrition framed for your USMLE Step 1 success. Remember, understanding these foundational concepts is not just about passing an exam. It's about becoming a truly knowledgeable and effective physician. Keep studying hard, stay curious, and don't be afraid to dive deep into these fascinating subjects. Every pathway you master, every enzyme you understand, brings you closer to your goal. You've got this. And on a lighter note, remember to eat your veggies for those crucial micronutrients. But also, it's okay to enjoy a burger or a pizza now and then. Balance is key, even in biochemistry. We'll be back soon with another deep dive into a high-yield USMLE topic. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing towards your dreams. See you in the next video.